Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. My brothers and sisters, one of the most beautiful aspects of what we see on the campuses today is that when you look at the images, you see brave and courageous young people. Young people. And when you see young people standing up with this courage, standing up with this bravery, it's a positive sign, my brothers and sisters. Because we have, for so long, our young people have struggled with identity and reluctancy to stand up as Muslims. But when you see this courage coming out, we have to understand that this is positive, but we have to build upon it. And if you look at the community of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, the greatest of communities that he built, you find that one of the elements of that community was brave and courageous, empowered young people. Usama bin Zayd, radiallahu anhu, 18, 19 years old. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam made him the general of an army. Not just any army. An army that included Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu anhu wa Umar ibn Khattab radiallahu anhu. Prophet ﷺ took this young man and placed him before these legends that we know. The scholars speak about the wisdom behind this decision of Rasulullah ﷺ, one being that he was honoring his father who had passed away in the same position, but another being the Rasul ﷺ sending a message to his nation, to his ummah, that we have to empower our young people. The young people are inspired by that, and the elders are inspired by it, are directed by it. You have Zayd bin Thabit, radiallahu anhu, whom at 13 years old, he went to Rasul ﷺ, he asked him, can I go fight in Badr? I want to go be in the military, 13 years old. Rasul ﷺ didn't allow it, of course he's too young, but he did channel that energy, channel that enthusiasm to something else. He told him, go and learn Hebrew. I want you to be a translator, which is going to support our mission. And he became a translator to support the mission. Mus'ab ibn Umair, a man that a young boy who the Prophet ﷺ appointed as a da'i, an ambassador, official ambassador, calling people to Islam. You find many examples of the Prophet ﷺ using this method of empowering the young people, because it's these young people that when the Prophet ﷺ left this world, they carried this deen, this mission. And therefore, my brothers and sisters, we remind ourselves, if you are a parent of a child, or you're a young person yourself, for the young people, understand your potential is more than what society is telling you. It's more than what society tries to limit the potential of the young people. Make them like babies, like they can't do anything. We as Ummah of Rasul ﷺ, we don't follow that. We empower them and push them because they can do more. So my brothers and sisters, we find all of these strategies and all of these tactics of the Prophet ﷺ, his wisdom in guiding and creating a beautiful ummah. And when we create a beautiful ummah, we create a beautiful globe, because our ummah brings nothing but khair to the globe if done correctly. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us in creating and bringing beauty to the globe. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us in rectifying our ummah, empowering our ummah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant our ummah the wisdom and the tawfiq to be vehicles of change and khair. Allahumma ya muqallib al-qulub thabbit qulubana ala dinik. ربنا لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا وهب لنا من لدنك رحمة إنك أنت الوهاب. اللهم انصر إخواننا المستضعفين في كل مكان. اللهم انصرهم في فلسطين وفي غزة وفي كل مكان. اللهم كن لهم عونا ونصيرا ومؤيدا وظهيرا. اللهم اجعل لهم من كل هم فرجا ومن كل ضيق مخرجا ومن كل بلاء عافية برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين يا قوي يا عزيز. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على محمد. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. نقيم الصلاة.